Chapter 13, Habitats of Animals. Ponder a while. Do you know some animals that make their own homes? Why do birds build nests? Like humans, animals too need shelter to live and survive. Habitat is the natural home or environment of living organisms in which they live. Different animals live in different types of habitats. Habitats of terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are those animals that live on land. Some animals have natural shelter. They do not make their houses. For example, wild animals like lions, tigers, bears, etc. live in caves called dens. Big animals like elephants, giraffe, zebras, etc. live under the shade of trees near the source of water. Some animals make pits, holes, or burrows for themselves. For example, termites and ants live in ant hills, snakes live in pits, and rabbits make burrows to live in. Some other terrestrial animals. Arboreal animals. Arboreal animals are those animals that spend their maximum time on trees. For example, monkeys and squirrels. Flying animals. Bats are mammals that can fly. They can be seen hanging upside down on the branches of trees or wires. Spiders. A spider lives in a web. It spins its web with a liquid given out from its body, which hardens on drying. The web traps the insect within itself, which is later eaten by the spider. Did you know? Spider is considered as an insect, but it is an animal. An insect has 6 legs, but a spider has 8 legs. Habitats of aquatic animals. Aquatic animals are those animals that live in water. Fishes, octopuses, whales, seals, walruses, etc. are some animals that live in water. Some fishes live near the underwater rocks. Octopus lives at the bottom of the sea. Starfish lives on the sea rocks. Walruses spend their entire life in the cold sea water of the polar regions. Nests of different birds. Birds build nests for laying their eggs and keeping their young ones safe and warm. They choose place for their nests very carefully. They use many small things to make their nests, such as twigs, threads, petals, pebbles, wool, cotton, dried grass, bones, etc. Different birds make different types of nests at different places, such as crow and sparrow build deep cup-shaped nests to prevent their young ones from falling from the nest. A weaver bird weaves its nest with fine strips of palm, banana leaves, and grass. Its nest is like a cradle, with its lower part open. This open part helps the bird to go in and come out easily. Let's do it. Search for a fallen nest in any part or a garden nearby. Observe the materials used to build the nest. A woodpecker does drilling on tree's trunk with the help of its sharp beak. The hollow space of its nest is lined with chips of wood to make the nest cozy. A tailor bird stitches leaves together with the help of cotton, wool, and dried grass to make its nest. As it sews its nest, it is called a tailor bird. Birds' migration. The act of moving from one place to another is called migration. Birds' migration is the regular seasonal journey undertaken by many species of birds. Birds move during February to April in response to change in food availability, habitat, and weather. They choose their nesting place with great care, safe from enemies and bad weather. Fact trivia. Approximately 1,800 of world's 10,000 bird species are long-distance migrants. Vocabulary cards. Habitat. The natural home or environment of living organisms in which they live. Terrestrial animals. The animals that live on land. Arboreal animals. The animals that spend their maximum time on trees. Birds' migration. The regular seasonal journey taken by many species of birds